Chocolate, one of the world's most beloved treats. But have you ever wondered how massive chocolate factories produce tons of delicious chocolate every single day? In this video, we'll take you through the journey, from harvesting cocoa pods in tropical regions to refining, tempering, and molding. It's a fascinating process of skill, science, and innovation. Stay with us as we take you inside the world's largest chocolate factories to uncover the secrets behind your favorite sweet indulgence. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content like this. Let's dive into the journey of chocolate. Cocoa trees, Theobroma cacao, grow in tropical regions such as Africa, Latin America, Indonesia, and Malaysia. These trees require shade from banana and coconut trees to protect them from excessive sunlight and wind. A cocoa tree reaches peak productivity in 4 to 5 years and produces 2 annual harvests, the main harvest from October to March, and a secondary harvest from April to September. Skilled workers handpick ripe cocoa pods using knives to ensure quality, as not all pods ripen at the same time. Selective harvesting is essential to collect only the best quality pods. Each melon-shaped pod contains around 40 cocoa seeds. Once harvested, the pods are transported to processing facilities, where they undergo further processing to extract and refine the cocoa beans. This careful harvesting process ensures the best flavor and quality, forming the foundation for producing high-quality cocoa and chocolate products worldwide. Cocoa processing starts by splitting the pods to extract beans covered in a sticky, sweet pulp. The beans then undergo fermentation, a crucial step that enhances aroma and reduces bitterness. They are wrapped in banana leaves and left to ferment for several days, depending on the cocoa variety. Forastero, the most common type grown in West Africa, requires the longest fermentation. Criollo, known for its fruity flavor, and Trinitario, a hybrid variety, need less time. After fermentation, the beans are sun-dried until their moisture content falls below 8%, ensuring proper preservation. Once dried, they are packed and shipped to chocolate factories worldwide. There, they undergo further processing to produce various chocolate products. This meticulous process ensures that the cocoa retains its rich flavors and high quality, making it a key ingredient in chocolate manufacturing. In chocolate factories, cocoa beans undergo several processing steps to ensure quality and flavor. The process begins with cleaning and sorting, where impurities like stones and dust are removed. Next, the beans are roasted at a temperature between 95 degrees Celsius and 145 degrees Celsius, which enhances flavor and reduces moisture content. After roasting, the beans are cracked and winnowed, breaking them into cocoa nibs while separating the outer shells. The nibs then undergo grinding, where heat and pressure release cocoa butter, forming a thick, bitter paste called cocoa liquor. This liquor serves as the foundation for chocolate production, or is further processed to separate cocoa butter from cocoa solids. In chocolate production, a hydraulic press extracts cocoa butter from cocoa liquor, leaving behind solids that are processed into cocoa powder. This cocoa powder, widely used in baking and beverages, undergoes alkalization to modify its flavor and color, producing shades from light brown to deep reddish hues. To create chocolate, various ingredients are blended with cocoa liquor. Milk powder and sugar are added to milk chocolate, while a higher cocoa butter content creates dark chocolate. Additionally, lecithin and other emulsifiers improve the texture. The mixture is then refined using rollers to break down particles, ensuring a smooth consistency. After refining, the chocolate undergoes conching, is a process that increases flavor and texture, making the final product rich and creamy. After extracting cocoa butter and cocoa powder, the next crucial step in chocolate production is refining the chocolate mixture. In this stage, chocolate manufacturers blend key ingredients to create different types of chocolate. Milk chocolate is made by mixing cocoa liquor, cocoa butter, milk powder, and sugar, while dark chocolate has a higher percentage of cocoa liquor and cocoa butter, with little to no milk. White chocolate, on the other hand, contains cocoa butter, milk solids, and sugar, but does not include cocoa solids. To increase texture and consistency, additional ingredients like lecithin and emulsifiers are added. Once the ingredients are mixed, the chocolate undergoes refining, where rollers or steel drums break down solid particles such as sugar, cocoa, and milk powder into microscopic pieces. This process ensures a smooth and fine texture, reducing particle size to below 20 microns, which prevents any grainy sensation when eaten. The refined mixture is then moved to the conching stage, where it undergoes further processing to enhance the flavor and texture, ensuring a rich and creamy final chocolate product. After refining, the chocolate mixture undergoes conching, a crucial process that enhances its flavor, texture, and consistency. Conching involves continuous mixing, aerating, and heating of the chocolate for several hours or even days in a special machine called conches. This step is essential in developing the smooth, velvety texture and rich taste of chocolate. During conching, the chocolate is constantly stirred and kneaded at controlled temperatures. This process removes volatile acids and moisture, reducing bitterness and undesirable sourness. It also improves smoothness by further breaking down any remaining solid particles and increasing the distribution of cocoa butter, ensuring a creamy and uniform consistency. Additionally, conching develops complex flavors, as the heat and agitation allow natural cocoa aromas to fully emerge. The duration of conching varies depending on the type of chocolate being produced. Premium chocolates may undergo conching for up to 72 hours, while mass-produced chocolate typically requires less time. After conching, the chocolate is ready for tempering. The next step stabilizes cocoa butter crystals, giving the chocolate a perfect glossy finish and smooth texture. Tempering is a precise cooling and reheating process used in chocolate production to stabilize cocoa butter crystals, ensuring a smooth texture and high-quality finish. This step is crucial in achieving the desired structure and consistency of chocolate. Proper tempering gives chocolate a glossy appearance and a strong structure that produces a clean snap when broken. It also prevents fat bloom, a whitish, uneven coating that appears on improperly tempered chocolate due to unstable cocoa butter crystals. Tempering involves carefully heating chocolate to a specific temperature, then cooling and reheating it to encourage the formation of stable cocoa butter crystals. This process ensures the chocolate remains smooth, shiny, and evenly textured. If chocolate is not tempered correctly, it may become dull, soft, or streaky. Tempering stabilizes chocolate, enhancing its shine, texture, and snap. Perfect for bars, pralines, and confections. After tempering, the chocolate is carefully poured into molds to create different shapes and sizes, including bars, pralines, and other confections. The molded chocolate is then cooled and solidified under controlled conditions to achieve the perfect texture, snap, and gloss. Once fully set, it is removed from the molds and prepared for packaging and distribution. Factories use different packaging methods depending on the type and quantity of the product. Cocoa powder is typically packed in multi-sheet paper bags, each weighing 25 kilograms, ensuring easy handling and storage. For larger quantities, cocoa powder is stored in bulk bags, ranging from 400 to 1,000 kilograms. For mass distribution, chocolate products are transported in tank containers that can hold up to 21,000 kilograms, ensuring safe and efficient global shipment. These packaging techniques help maintain product quality, freshness, and safety during transportation. Large-scale chocolate production blends tradition with technology, ensuring high-quality chocolate through precise processes. Advanced machinery helps manufacturers produce tons of chocolate daily, satisfying global demand and delighting chocolate lovers worldwide. That's a wrap for today's video. From harvesting cocoa pods to refining, tempering, and molding, the journey of chocolate is truly fascinating. With a perfect mix of tradition, technology, and craftsmanship, these factories ensure that every bite delivers rich flavor and smooth texture. What surprised you the most about chocolate production? Was it the fermentation process, the long conching time, or the precise tempering technique? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of chocolate, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content.